Freelance websites for video editors. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance platforms that offers a wide range of job categories, including video editing. You can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects that match your skills and expertise. 2. Freelancer. Freelancer is another well-known platform where you can find video editing projects. You can bid on projects, showcase your work, and build a reputation through client reviews. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that allows you to create gigs offering your video editing services at various price points. Clients can browse through your offerings and hire you directly. 4. People per hour. People per hour is a platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services, including video editing. You can create a profile, set your hourly rate, and bid on projects. 5. Guru. Guru is a freelance platform where you can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on video editing projects. It offers different membership levels with varying benefits. 6. Freelanced. Freelanced is a platform that helps connect freelancers with clients seeking video editing services. You can create a profile, browse job listings, and submit proposals. 7. Mandy Network. Mandy Network is a platform that focuses on jobs in the film and entertainment industry, including video editing. You can search for jobs, create a profile, and connect with potential clients. 5. Video to Order. Video to Order specializes in video production services, and you can join as a video editor to offer your skills to clients looking for various video editing tasks. 8. Production Hub. Production Hub is a platform that connects professionals in the film, television, video, and digital media production industry. You can create a profile and showcase your video editing expertise. 9. Bark. Bark allows you to set up a profile and receive leads from clients looking for various services, including video editing. You can submit proposals and connect with potential clients.